Okay, so tomorrow I think I'll be able to open every one. I have no idea what this is, but it seems a bit hard.
What are these?
Mixing bowls.
Mixing bowl.
Yeah, now I want both. Oh, like these can be for porridge. Papa Bear, Baby Bear. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas. Someone open my mixing bowl, please. Someone open my
I didn't put anything on it. Do you want butter? What do you think? I don't think you like it.
Tastes like when you dip bread in soup.
Oh yeah?
It's not soup. It's
Like underdone or like flavor?
like the flavor.
So is it good? Like you like it? Is it spicy?
It's a little spicy.
Because my fingernails are still burning. Oh wow. Okay, I tried it too. And the cheese is really sharp and strong. The onion doesn't come through hardly at all. But it does have a kick after you take a bite. But yeah, it's pretty good. Would you say sandwiches? It is spicy though. It does have a...
You almost don't need to add anything else to it.
Yeah. I think that cold cuts might be good on it. Like something simple. Oh, out of battery. Stevie, say goodnight to everybody. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Say good girl. Yeah.
Yuletide and season's greetings. Holiday shopping is in full swing, and what better way to find those perfect one-of-a-kind gifts than to support your local makers and small businesses such as Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run, handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products, from stitch markers and progress keepers to jewelry and Christmas ornaments. Handmade in the central United States, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists, lovers of the arts, and everyone else on the nice list this year. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and US printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have the perfect gift and stocking stuffers. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you. Ho, ho, ho.